Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing fantastic. What a beautiful day. And I'm going to tell you, the weatherman strikes again. He was talking about, I guess, something about raining today, 20%, maybe more in the afternoon, something. I saw 20%, but what a beautiful day. Really, what was reported to what I'm seeing right now, it's really not there. So to me, I keep it simple, really do. Unless it's like 60, 70, 80%, I could care less. Sometimes I go out 20, 30, even 40%, I'm okay. Anyways, I wanted to talk about this because this is something that some of you guys got to consider if you're looking for a bike, right? And as I see guys giving advice on buying a motorcycle and some of the things that you should consider for the new guy, right? We're not talking about the salty guy that been riding for many years, right? You guys know what to do. You guys know the deal, and you guys definitely don't need any advice from me. But nevertheless, you could put some advice down in the comment section below. I'm sure there's a new rider that probably appreciate some good advice. So I'm gonna keep this simple, fast. I gotta go home. I'm gonna take my mom out to a nice dinner, as long with my wife and children, right? But here's the deal, there is a common advice that is passed out there, and essentially it's people saying, you know what, buy something small, buy a smaller bike, you know, even 500cc, something like that. Buy something very small that you can maneuver, ride it for about 6-7 months, and then you could buy something bigger, right? You could buy something that is more powerful, maybe something that is heavier. You know, this Road King, not that it's powerful at all because it has an 88, but it's a big bike, right? And in general, I believe that is a great advice. You know, buy something smaller, something that you could practice your turns, something that you could practice your skills, something that you could practice, you know, your... Check out that bike with a sidecar. That's cool. So again, something that you could practice all your skills, your turn, and become really a master on that, and then buy a bigger bike. I mean, that's definitely not a bad idea at all. That, in my opinion, I think that's actually a very good idea. But the problem that I come to find out when it comes to this is the fact that, you know, it costs money. It's really monetarily not something that is available for a lot of people, right? So what happened is that you buy a bike, and then what happened after that is that you ride it for several months, and then you go back to sell it, and you lose a lot of money, lots and lots and lots of money. And then obviously you try to turn it into a dealer. The dealer is going to give you pennies, you owe money. You find yourself upside down on a motorcycle that, once again, is going to become a monetarily or financial issue, right? I know people that have done this, and again, really to me, it's not a good idea. So obviously the biggest reason why is because people don't want you to kind of like handle something really powerful at the beginning, right? So here's the thing, me personally, I do agree that that's a great advice. Buy something that you can manage and then upgrade, but nevertheless, it's not really something that is available to a lot of people, because once again, it costs money. If you're rich, maybe this doesn't apply to you, but if you're a hardworking American, that will be kind of difficult to do. So with that being said, what's my advice? And check it out, you know, I bought a 750 Gixxer as my first bike, and I'm going to tell you, a 750 is a lot of power, really a lot of power. And again, you know, it was one of those things that when I started riding, I quickly realized that that bike was no joke. That bike was fast, picked up speed very, very fast, and again, is a bike that could have killed me at any moment, right? So what I did was that I took it easy. So to me, because of the money aspect, I a lot of times say, look, buy the bike that you want to buy. Buy the bike that you're looking to buy from the beginning, and then take it easy on it. You know, learn your capability, learn your limitation, learn what you're supposed to be doing on the bike, right? Practice. Take it very, very easy. You know, maybe that means that you're going to ride on a road that you feel comfortable. Maybe you don't want to ride with traffic. Maybe you don't want to ride in the highway. Maybe you don't want to ride in some specific places yet. Because once again, you're trying to become a better rider. And once you feel that you can manage that, then you could jump into that. So to me, I always been more into, you know, buy the bike that you want from the beginning and then have the discipline to be able to maintain, I guess in a way, the discipline to be able to handle that bike without being stupid. You know, if you are a new rider and again, you're doing stupid things on a motorcycle, like going really fast and things like that without having the skills that you need to do in order to do that, to me, that's just stupid. It's going to get you killed. It's going to get you in trouble. It's going to put you in a place that you just don't want to be. Trust me, this bike will do a lot of damage to you very, very quickly. So to me, it's better to have that discipline. And again, I know it may sound kind of weird, like I'm not giving you the right advice. Again, to me, the first advice is the way to go. You know, having, you know, kind of like buying a bike and then kind of continue to go up is definitely great advice, but it's really not practical for a lot of people. A lot of people don't have that money, you know, and a lot of people are not going to put themselves in that type of monetarily issues, right? So because of those issues, you know, primarily the money, to me, you know what, buy the bike, and that's what I did. I bought the bike that I wanted. I wanted a Road King, and again, you know, I set it up the way that I wanted to, and I understand that after 4 years without being in a bike, it was going to be difficult. It was going to be something that I needed to have practice. So I took it easy. I was very disciplined. I took my time on the turns. I'm still doing that. I'm still getting used to it now that I put this bars, right? I took it very, very slow. And now I'm getting to a point that I'm getting comfortable with it. So again, let me know what you guys think. Put comments down below. And as always, God is in control.